Okay guys, so now that we finished creating our landing page for our product, now let's look at how we can sell our product organically. Okay, so move on to the next step. So how can Amma sell her products organically? So she can actually sell by posting her products on WhatsApp status. So I think that one is easy. I'm not going to waste time to create a video on that. She can also do that by posting her product photos on Instagram. That is also easy. I'm not going to waste time on that. She can also do a video. Okay, go on Canva and do a video on Canva and post that video on TikTok. And trust me, when monetized properly, she can get a lot of customers on TikTok. Let's quickly go on TikTok and look at some examples of these videos. Okay guys, so I am on TikTok now. So you can just come to the search button. As you guys can see, I've already searched it and type in dental floss, or let's just add toothpick to it. So dental floss toothpick. Yep, and as you can see, there are a lot of videos here. So this video has got 601.4 thousand views. This one has also got 654,000 views, and there are tutorials in regards to how to use this dental floss. All right, so you can come here and look for inspirations and also go and create a similar video. Some people too, if you are not scared of copyright, you can basically download some of these videos and edit it. Okay, re-edit the video and also post it on TikTok. I know most people are doing that. Okay, so some videos will show you how to use it. Some will also show you the benefits of using a dental floss toothpick. You see, so they are showing you the difference between using a normal toothpick and using a dental floss. Okay, so you can also create a video like this. And when you create the video like that, in your bio, you tell them to go click on your link in the bio if they want some to buy. And guess what link you're going to post in your bio? You are going to post the landing page we created from Systeme.io. So you basically come to your Systeme.io's account, go to the landing page we created. So come and copy this link, and when you create your TikTok account, you paste the link in your bio. So whenever you post a video in regards to your product, you just tell them to go in your bio and click on the link if they want to purchase one. You can also create a listing in Facebook groups. If you have access to Facebook Marketplace, you can also create a listing on Facebook Marketplace so you can sell your products organically. So all these social media accounts will allow you to sell your products organically. Another way to do this is to get an influencer. Okay, so get someone that has got a lot of following to talk about your product. You give them a little bit commission, so maybe 5% or 10% commission from every sale they will make. Okay, so be in partnership with an influencer, give your product to them, and trust me, they'll be able to sell your product for you quickly. In Ghana too, you can actually go on Jumia. Okay, create an account on Jumia and Gigi and sell your product. So for example, when you come on Jumia, go all the way to the bottom. You can also do this on your phone. Yeah, I'm fan chemio. Mekatri kakra no makabro for kakra. Into your back Jumia, make money with Jumia. So I hire sell, well, sell on Jumia. Into click here on sell on Jumia. Start selling on Jumia. Then go through the account registration process. Into select your country, your Ghana. Into Ghana, next, create an account on Jumia and sell your product on Jumia. Gigi, so the exact same thing. Okay, about registration, you can register with Google, your Facebook. Okay, if you want Jumia and Gigi send your product to a lot of people, you can create ads on them and they'll post your your listing to a lot of people. Again, some person may get separate tutorial in regards to this. I'm happy to do that for you, but you might be saying, straightforward, so no need to waste some time over here. Into selling your products organically in India, endless. Okay, there's a lot of ways you can sell your products organically. Now, I know most starting off there, selling your products organically a must, but if you want to sell your product to a lot of people now, creating a Facebook ads. I know some people will say that Facebook ads is dead, but trust me, it's not dead. say u boost your product no Facebook. Now Facebook attract people on Instagram, Facebook, and Facebook Messenger no is going to help you sell your products quickly. And I'm on kai say you buy a budget now. You can say we pay Facebook you about top one other no pay Facebook 2,000 Ghana cedis to promote our products for us. So until we have a budget of 2,000 Ghana cedis to play around. Until I would highly recommend say you create a Facebook ad, and trust me, the number of customers you will get there if you monetize everything properly, you structure your ads properly, and you also target the right people. No, the number of customers you get now with it. I'll quickly show you how to go about this, but creating a Facebook ads, a long course. Okay, into make create like a Facebook lesson on a Facebook page. Me boosty. No matter sure how you can go about this. Okay, into my Facebook page where I buy Soul Club. Into your bahana, the Ben said, I'll create a listing. Into me bahana photos and way now. I'll come and upload photos. Into I'll upload all these photos. Into the listing, we say draw a nice caption. Okay, into caption is again we can go back to Chat GPT. Into me cut Chat GPT. Now for my type BBC. And to take it on the persona of a dentist, can you put together a persuasive Facebook ads copy for the product, dental floss toothpick, and highlight the benefits of the product? Something like this. Okay. Nafi Baba Chat GPT. We are talking about dental floss. It is okay. You can either create a new chat, and I say we'll just use the exact same one. Then I just go Facebook ad copy. Then I just go enter. Now look at the magic way we'll do. Or chro bibia kama amaye. Into transform your smile with our dental floss toothpick. And what I'll do is say I'll come and copy all of this. Yeah, of course you need to read through. So I'll come and copy it to here and answer my copy. Then I'll go back on Facebook. Now my baha. Then I'll come and paste your training in a grab yours now. Limited stock available. Yeah, baha now. Guess what we are going to put here? Your Systeme.io, our link, Ana yedi ebesheha. Into your Systeme.io no ako funnel. Oh, in case you log out, oko funnels are when landing page near create here no I click it or no so. O click on so now make sure say that or that form I create here Now for URL path we need here. No I copy link way. Now for you have a back. Grab yours now na odia share. Into your I would like to post another link here. Into grab pray into bracket 50 pack dental floss for the price of one. Into we now I said the link I share. I want to bring the link 2 times. Into transform your smile in much grab pray baby say we will have on person be reading in into top one so link ewa come into where I'm just boosting. I'm just creating a Facebook post. Into your fan say this is our business page. Into answer my heading mark post. Into post and a walk come on into your cut see more. Dear trainer. Yeah, always read, and if you want to tweak it, feel free to tweak it. One, yeah, the call to action I share. I said another call to action. Then I share. And see, if we want to promote this to a lot of people now, all we have to do is to boost posts. To boost posts, is also similar to you creating a Facebook ads, but we're a shortcut. Creating a Facebook ads, I will say what creating now, what targeting your audience and all that. With boost, so we're targeting your audience, but steps, are much easier as compared to say we'll create Facebook ads. I think I've already done a course in regards to creating a Facebook ads on this channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description section below. Into your code boost way now. Okay. And to go, let Facebook select the most relevant goal way. You can decide to change. Into Bahana, you can decide to change the sort of goal I open. Into where you increase sales, get more messages, so on, get more leads, get more calls, get more engagement, and now automatic. Remember, Facebook for Ankasa, I selected your sort of goal based on the sort of interactions that they'll get from people. And in regards to this, to keep things simple, we'll let Facebook do that automatically. And advantage plus creative, and so you better click it on leverage Facebook data to automatically deliver different ad creative variations to people when likely to improve performance. Where to join Facebook for and your magic. Okay, into with the button automatically or say call now. Into it's either say Ubejan will call now and now let's select it no button. First, with Facebook ads, and now boost here. I think say it also depends on your page settings. First, call learn more. Will be to me what do you call it? Insert your link, but it's here no compulsory create a form. Into about create a form, so now nothing on this form is related to what we are trying to achieve. Until we don't need a form. If you don't mind getting a lot of people calling you and I'll send you a WhatsApp message, be to me, I'll leave you a WhatsApp message and the rest. Or you can just leave it on call now on befro or your number if you are okay. But if you're not comfortable with people calling you to buy your product now, I'll just say go no button. And see anything suitable for you, just put it there. But in this regard, I'll just go no button because if you can take calls, they are fine, okay. But if you just want people to go and do the purchase online now, into that you do a link, I share hano, and also and this is how it's going to look like. And there'll be no button here. They'll be able to like, comment, and share. And if they want to buy now, your links are already implanted in the description. I'll post it, And you either leave it on no button or call now, or if you've linked your WhatsApp message, so you can just link your WhatsApp to it. Afe bahana hani here, so audience, and the audience, with this product, you can sell to both men and women, which is good. And age, since we are using Facebook, you have to target people that are always on Facebook. And I'll say you can leave it on 18. Omo medi 18 a man for hina etaye ejuma or Ghana. Be na entire ejuma, but to target broader audience, you can just leave it on 18. Omo huna echi omo ba kubusa sike frem mo maame ho. And 18 for so no tiring ampa. And to leave it on 18 till about, I'll say like around 55. I think 50 should be okay. Ideally, I normally do from 18. Sometimes from 25 to like 45. But in regards to this, we'll just do from 18 to about 50. Because I know most of our parents, some are on Facebook. Location, we are targeting Ghana. But if you don't want to target the whole of Ghana, you better more target Accra. Well, Greater Accra region. Near targeting Eastern region, yeah, target Ashanti region. You can decide to target more, to target other regions. Why did I target these 3 regions? Yeah, share Google Trends, I think that these 3 now we at the top they were looking into dental floss, and we want to go straight to these 3, so we target them. And also look at the area now, so with my delivery the whole of Ghana wider, you can just delete all this and put Ghana there. After your back detailed targeting now, we just want to target engaged shoppers. Well, engaged shoppers. You bet targeting or more engaged shoppers, Into Facebook for everything. Sending away to 5.4 to 6.3 million people. You can decide to select more or more like online shopping anyway, but we'll just leave it on engaged shoppers. Then we go to save audience. Awesome. Until you save your audience, Now, when do you want to start? Until your start date, you can start from the next day. Until we can start from the 6th. Time Ben I'll started. I also started from time people are online. Until I'll say we'll start here, just start from around normally people finish work around 5-6 into around 5-6 p.m. You can start because that's when people are or maybe on social media. Until we'll start around that time. Yeah, until let's say around from 5 p.m. onwards. Into instance from 5 p.m. how many days do you want to run this for? We are testing at this stage. Into which man run, I'll not say minimum crown, you should let it run for at least 5 days, because the first couple of days you might not get any calls, but from day 4 onwards, and now best starting your calls. Until we just leave it on 7 days for now. Well, and your budget, and see the whole total budget, we are looking at spending $35. And see, you call your calculator, 35 times 12.5, which is the current rate. So we have 437. And see the way air test it actually within 5 days now, a lot of engagement. Then we tweak it a little bit. Okay, you can decide to use videos. Video near download it, we can go on Canva, create something and use it. And see about that now, if everything is looking good now, we go and schedule and just say Anna, your ad is going to look say a bit looky when they start promoting it. And you just go and schedule, and your Facebook is going to look into your ad, make sure that everything is okay. And if everything is okay, they will approve and you start selling. Or any questions are, please feel free to ask. And Kwame Chumezi, I'll be there to answer your questions. And congratulations. And once everything goes smooth, all you have to do now is to take your profits and reinvest in the exact same strategy. One tip when I say, man, try or stock and sakojoto and sana what started process nibium. Say be a what on 2,000 pieces up. 2,000 pieces, you should get your money and profit. Into what on 2,000 pieces, straight away, not where restock biom. Okay, because customers pay be not afe uni bi or hana a kind of wobo. Now you are losing customers to your competitors. And to make sure so very stock it. And we'll get to stock, so it takes a lot of time, especially if you are buying through sea cargo. It takes time to the who say processing it here. And to make sure my answer, who say about sana and why fast, why time, why restock biom. I would like to say thank you so much for taking your time to watch the tutorial, this long tutorial till now. A lot of hard work went into this, and if you appreciate this effort now, please show some love and click on that subscribe button. Share my and so we can all grow together this year. Within the Kwame Chumesi, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.